So as you can see, I have some water in the pot, and the potters are of about half pots of water. I'm going to make some cornmeal porridge. And we're going to put some milk inside of it like this. Coconut milk. Roughly half cans or half cups of coconut milk inside of it. So I'm using the fine cornmeal because the fine cornmeal is very good to make porridge. So I'm using 8 ounces of cornmeal inside of it. Alright, so 8 ounces of cornmeal. Yeah, 8 ounces, yeah. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of water, a little bit of coconut milk towards the cornmeal. So what I'm gonna do is just mix it around like this. So what I'm gonna do is pour this in it like this. Give it a stir. It will get thick. so it's getting thick. So what we're gonna do is turn on the stove to about 3. And we're gonna allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. 15 minutes at least, 20 minutes. Beautiful, look at that. Nice. So it was cooking for about 15 minutes now. Gonna sweeten it. So we're gonna put nutmeg. Nutmeg smell really nice. I'm gonna put some mixed spice and some cinnamon, pinch of cinnamon, because cinnamon is strong. Alright, so now we're gonna put a pinch of salt. We're gonna sweeten it with some condensed milk. You can use brown sugar if you like. Oh, smell the scent is nice. I'm gonna taste it. That is proper. Pinch more salt. Little pinch nutmeg, nutmeg. Little bit of more milk. I love the nutmeg smell. Do not use the same spoon that you used before. That is proper. Give it 5 minutes and it's ready. Nice and lovely. So this is finished, done and dusted. Now we're gonna share it out. There it is. Lovely. That's exactly what you're talking about. There it is. You can make this at home. Everyone be happy. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time with Chef Ricardo. Carmine porridge recipe. Bye bye.